You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome to the podcast. Today we're giving you a simple Swiss checklist that keeps everything on track and shows exactly how SDC carries the load. First, 6 to 8 weeks before packing, you need to book survey and dates and choose if you're going to use a full container load, groupage, or air. Then start downsizing. Think about the size of Swiss homes and access that you're going to have. And flag special items, piano, artwork, tools, wine. That way we can make sure we're packing carefully and that we have compliance. Now, 3 to 4 weeks before you move, you need to finalize your inventory. Gather your Form 18.44 details. Make sure you have your passport, your residence permit, and your lease. Confirm origin building access and destination lift or permit or shuttle needs. And if you're shipping a vehicle, align your paperwork. Then, packing week. SDC will help you with packing. We itemize inventory for your custom and insurance, and we'll crate fragile pieces. We also dispatch the container to an EU port and arrange bonded overland delivery in Switzerland. Arrival and clearance. You have to be present in Switzerland. SDC and our Swiss partner will help you process everything at customs. We schedule delivery, placement in each room, and even furniture assembly, and of course, debris removal. Insurance and protection. Choose coverage that fits your shipment. Many clients insure for replacement value. Our packing standards will lower risk and support full value policies. And here's a few reminders. Goods need to be owned for at least 6 months. Avoid packing prohibited or restricted goods. And for air plus sea hybrids, keep essentials out of the main container. Don't worry though. SDC's coordinator orchestrates each step, and your move will be a sequence of calm, predictable milestones, ending with a furnished home and a sigh of relief. Turn this checklist into a live plan with timelines and tracking. Visit our website, sdcinternationalshipping.com, or call us 877-339-0267 for your free Switzerland moving quote.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.